Hello students, I am again today with Awaken Citizen Program class. In my last video, I had a discussion about a universal possibility of being heroic. Right? If you remember, these examples I have shown you in my last video. Right? These 4 examples I have shown you, which says that if you awaken these possibilities, it will help to awaken your heroic spirit within. Right? So these are the 4 ways. What were the 4 ways I had discussed? By having the courage to face challenges, by acting with honesty and integrity irrespective of the consequences, by keeping the commitments I make, by choosing to obey. Right? So these are the 4 ways which helps you to awaken your heroic spirit within. Right? So I am going to the next part today, that why is it important to be heroic. Now here in this exploration, Santosh, a boy sitting here, and here 2 different responses are there. One is Santosh weak response, another is Santosh heroic response. What it is said here is Santosh gets teased by seniors. They make him carry their bags, given them his lunch, etc. Now, so first see what is Santosh weak response. Now Santosh is thinking, why me? There is nothing I can do. I am helpless. These boys are very powerful. If I do something, they will beat me up. I have no choice but do what they say. Now these weak response, how these weak response affect the thinking on Santosh life in school and Santosh self-confidence. See how it affects in his school life. His school life will become very difficult because the teasing will increase. Others may also take advantage of him. He will start disliking school and this may affect his studies. He will lose confidence in his ability to deal with problems in life. Right? Now I will show you Santosh heroic response. This is saying, what can I do to deal with these boys? How can I stop this? I should not keep quiet about this. Can I discuss this with somebody? What options are open to me? Now how this effect on Santosh school life as well as Santosh self-confidence. Now he may get beaten initially, but he will somehow find a solution to deal with these seniors. People will also realize that they cannot take advantage of him. He will build confidence to deal with problems in his life, and next time he faces a problem, he will have the confidence to find a solution. Now second exploration is about Meghna. Meghna is weak in math. This time she worked hard for the exam to improve her math marks. When the teacher gives back their corrected papers, Meghna notices she has got 5 marks extra because of a totaling mistake. Without these 5 extra marks, she would not pass. Now, I am showing you here Meghna's weak response is what and heroic response is what, and how it affects her ability, her teacher's trust and her own character. Right? Now, first is Meghna's weak response. I'll let it be. No one will notice. I worked so hard for this exam. I deserve these extra marks. If I don't keep these 5 extra marks, I will fail. So just this one time, I'll keep these marks. Next time, this won't happen. Now, what will be the effect on this thinking on her ability in math, her teacher's trust in her and her own character? See. First one is on her ability. She may pass in math this time, but it does not really indicate that she has improved in math, so she will be fooling herself. Second, her teacher's trust. If her teacher does not discover the error, then it won't affect her trust. If she discovers the error later, then she will be suspicious of Meghna. And how it affects on her own character. her character weakens, though she thinks next time she won't do it. If it happens again, she may not have the strength to stand by the truth. Now Meghna's heroic response: there is no use keeping marks I don't deserve. It won't help me learn math better. So I will tell teacher she gave me 5 extra marks by mistake. I worked hard for the exam, but it was not enough. Next time I'll get help to master this subject. I must do it. Now how this thinking will affect her ability in math, her teacher's trust and her own character. She may not pass this time, but with her determination, she will surely improve next time and genuinely learn math. The teacher's trust in Meghna will grow, and over time she will begin respecting Meghna as a person of integrity. Her character becomes stronger. Thus, next time, even if there is a tougher situation, she will have the strength to stand by the truth. Right? Next is, now meet some heroic individuals. Now here some heroic persons are there, and why, what qualities, heroic qualities they have, I am showing you. Now first one is courage to give your life for the nation. First picture is about Bhagat Singh, freedom fighter. Right? A college student who was fearless even in the face of death. He willingly gave his life fighting for the freedom of this nation. Second is intellectual courage to fight for knowledge. Galileo Galilei, mathematician, physicist, astronomer. He had the courage to defend the ideas of Copernicus, who for the first time said that the earth revolved around the sun. This went against the common belief of the 16th century that the sun revolved around the earth. He faced great opposition from scientists and church leaders. He was put into prison for this. Next is courage to fight for what you believe in. Mohandas Karamchand Mahatma Gandhi, a lawyer, national leader. He unified a diverse nation to fight the powerful British Empire using ahimsa, means non-violence, as the main weapon of warfare. He had the courage to bring back pride in all that was Indian with the Swadeshi movement and rejection of British goods. Then courage to obey despite differences. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On my occasion, Sardar Patel's opinions were very different from Gandhiji's. Yet, because of his deep faith in Gandhiji, whom he considered his mentor and leader, Sardar Patel chose to follow him. Next, about courage to work towards an idea or vision. Biju Patnaik, freedom fighter, architect of Odisha's development. He was determined to change Odisha for a poor state to a state full of industries. Even when he did not get support from others, he did not stop. One of the example is here. When the Prime Minister did not give him money to build a port in Odisha, he said, "To hell with the government, I will build the port with state government and my own money." Now, courage to dream big. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, scientist, 11th President of India. The son of a poor boat owner in a small South Indian town, he started working at an early age to support his family's income. Despite his background and lack of facilities, he had a desire to do something big in life, something for the country. He studied and went on to become a scientist working for the country and eventually became the President of India. So these persons were having heroic qualities. They were someone who cared for others and done the right thing even when nobody were looking. Right? So like these persons, you too can awaken your heroic spirits, children, within your day-to-day life. You can awaken your heroic spirit within in your day-to-day life. How? No matter who you are or what you do, you just have to know how to think and act like a hero. What you have to do is, you find joy in seeing the smiles in other people's faces. You have to be focused more on the feeling you get from doing the good deed than receiving praise. Initiate the things you want to see. Right? Now at last I am showing you the summary of this. If you remember, at first I have told you each one of us can awaken our possibility of being heroic by following these 4 ways. Okay? Up to this much today. Thank you, students.